Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be talking about privacy of Bitcoin. Bitcoin as private as you would like it to be. If you own a Trezor or you use an exchange that does not require the disclosure of personal information, you will not be known on the blockchain beyond your wallet address. Privacy only becomes an issue with Bitcoin as you begin to use commercial or more regulated exchange. If you are buying or selling Bitcoin from a popular wallet, particularly in the United States, you will need to provide personal information. Even here in Nigeria, you will also need to provide personal information. The larger your trading volume, the more information you will usually need to provide. This was not always the case, but as cryptocurrency have grown, so too has the government attempt to monitor and track transactions. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you.